Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Notion to Google Sheets step by step using an automation tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically sync your Notion databases with a Google spreadsheet, making it much easier to organize data, create reports, share information with teammates, and keep backups of your projects. This setup is extremely useful for project management, content planning, team collaboration, and workflow tracking because it allows your Notion data to update directly inside Google Sheets without needing to copy and paste everything manually. To get started, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to connect. Before moving forward, decide which database or table you actually want to sync with Google Sheets. This makes the setup process much easier later on. Now, Notion and Google Sheets do not have a direct built-in connection, so we'll use an automation platform to bridge both apps together. For this tutorial, we'll use Zapier because it's one of the easiest and most popular tools for connecting different services online. Open Zapier in your browser and create an account if you don't already have one. The free plan is enough for basic automations and is perfect if you're just getting started. Once you're logged into Zapier, go to the dashboard and click the Create button to start building a new automation. In Zapier, these automations are called Zaps. Next, use the search bar and type something like Notion to Google Sheets. This tells Zapier the type of workflow you want to create. The idea is simple. Whenever something changes in your Notion database, Zapier will automatically send that information into a Google spreadsheet. After selecting the workflow, Zapier will ask you to connect both your Notion and Google accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions and grant the required permissions. During this process, you may need to choose specific pages, databases, or Google Drive folders you want Zapier to access. Once both accounts are connected, you can start configuring the automation. First, choose the Notion database that Zapier should monitor for updates. Then select the Google spreadsheet where the information should be sent. If your databases or spreadsheets do not appear immediately, try refreshing the options or double-checking that you are logged into the correct accounts. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for Zapier to load everything properly. After selecting both sides of the integration, you can customize how the data is transferred. For example, you can decide which columns from Notion should appear inside Google Sheets. You can map task names, deadlines, statuses, assigned team members, priorities, and much more. Once everything looks correct, test the automation to make sure the connection works properly. If the test is successful, turn the Zap on, and your integration will start working automatically in the background. From that point on, every time your Notion database updates, your Google spreadsheet will update as well. This can save a huge amount of time and makes managing information across platforms much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, automation guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.